Hi there, you're watching Swastik videos, and in this episode I have got with me the Flipkart's Marq TV to unbox and review. Marq is newly launched brand of Flipkart. It mostly sells home appliances. It has got dual open speakers. This TV is full HD with A grade panel. It has 24-inch LED screen or 61 centimeters in diagonal. I found only one disadvantage, that it has got only one star rating out of 5. The MRP quoted in the box is 11,499 rupees, which is equivalent to 170 US dollars. Dimension of this TV is 527 into 296 into 75 mm, that is length, breadth and height, with 2.5 kg, which is quite light. This TV contains an LED TV remote, 2 batteries, wall mount with screws, 2 base stand with screws, user manual and warranty card. This TV covers 12 months of warranty. This is the remote, which works on IR sensor. Talking about the connectivity options in this TV, it has got HDMI, VGA and USB. All three are supported. This is the user manual. As you can see, some documentation along with warranty guide. Now opening up the plastic, this is how it looks. I have already fixed it on base stand. The base stands are quite sturdy. As you can see, it mentioned Full HD TV though, so connectivity are 3.5 mm jack with audio output, USB 2 and antenna connectivity are there. This is the back panel, as you can see, and from the bottom we have got one VGA with audio input, 3.5 mm jack, one HDMI port and 2 AV inputs. Let me play some content on this TV. This is the power cable from where the power comes. The base stands are quite sturdy and you can fix it by yourself. I am playing Blu-ray 1080p content at highest quality, and this TV supports 1920 by 1080p resolution. It has got 10 watt speakers output. There are 2 speakers. Refresh rate is 60 Hz. Contrast ratio is 3000:1 for static with 178 degrees wide view. Brightness is up to 220 nits. The panel is 0 dot panel. Aspect ratio is 16:9. You can enjoy wide variety of media from pen drive. It supports almost all types of video formats like AVI, MP4, TS, TRP, MKV, MOV, MPG, DAT, VOB, RM, RMVB, etc. I played so much content over this TV and I didn't find any kind of problem while playing any kind of video format which I downloaded from the internet. It also supports wide variety of audio formats like MP3, WMA, MP4, M4A, AAC, MP2, PCM, MPEG, etc. All of them are supported. I purchased this TV mostly to use it as a desktop monitor, and I also used it for playing movies, which you can see, which is playable at the highest 1080p resolution without any issue. I can't notice any kind of pixelation. I used it mostly as a desktop monitor so that I can use it with my PlayStations also. You can connect this TV to your laptop or CPU desktop via HDMI or VGA. This TV though does not support any kind of Wi-Fi support. It doesn't have any kind of internet features. This TV isn't smart at all, considering the price they are offering. But after connecting it with my CPU, I enjoyed playing games. I also enjoyed watching YouTube content over this TV. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, stay subscribed for more future updates. This is Swastik signing off. Thanks for watching. Till then, have a great day ahead.